Today I want to show you this beautiful rug by Headwear. And as you can see, it is so soft. I just love sitting down here on the floor. But I just got this open, so I am waiting for the wrinkles to kind of settle down. It does come very nicely shrink wrapped in a really nice package. This is the 5x7 and this is the sage green color. I'm going to give you a close-up look so you can see the real cute design on here and just really the quality. This is a microfiber material, super easy to wash and clean and super easy to vacuum. Love it. Let's take a close-up look.
All right, now here is a definite better look here at the rug. Got better lighting for you, but I just love this design. It's very, very cute. And then it's got this nice non-skid back, really nice reinforced edging on the rug, and really, really nice quality. I love that it's not too thick, but it's also not too thin, making it very easy to vacuum. So if you are looking for a new rug at a great price point, I highly recommend the Headwear brand of rugs. They have lots of sizes and lots of patterns. I think you'll love them.